How to create a stunning PowerPoint slide using text effects. Insert the text box. Insert minus sign 15 times. Go to Shape Format. Click on Text Effects. Select Transform and select Inflate Bottom. Make the text box bigger to fill the upper half of the slide. Right-click on the text and select Format Text Effects. Go to Text Options. Select Picture or Texture Fill. Voila! If you want, you can insert another picture. And otherwise it just grabs whatever is on your clipboard. That's it. Insert your titles and you're done. If you want to change it, you can. It can look like this. It can look like this. It can look like this. And if you want your name, just type your name and enlarge it. Personally, I've used Aptos 300. That will work.